Welcome to my channel. Today we have to solve this math. A by x minus 1 plus b by bx minus 1 equals to a plus b. First of all, we can write this equation a by ax minus 1 minus of b plus b by bx minus of 1 minus of a equals to 0. Next, we have to separate these two by LCM. The LCM between this part is ax minus of 1 and LCM is this part is bx minus of 1. After, we have to calculate this LCM a minus b into ax minus 1 and b minus a into bx minus of 1 equals to 0. Next, ax minus of 1 a minus, we can multiply this a bx plus of b minus b into minus 1 equals to b. Next line is bx minus of 1 b minus a bx plus of a equals to 0. We can common this line, this and this. After common, the equation will be 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by bx minus of 1. If the product of the number is 0, we can write separately 0. That's why we can write a by abx plus b equals to 0 and 1 by ax minus 1 plus 1 by bx minus 1 equals to 0. After, a bx minus equals to minus of a minus of b minus a bx equals to minus common a plus b. Next, cancel both side minus, x equals to a plus b by ab. This is one answer. And another answer is, we have to solve this equation LCM between these two, ax minus of 1 into bx minus of 1. Next, multiply 1 with bx minus of 1 is, final answer is bx minus of 1 plus, and 1 multiply with x minus 1 is ax minus of 1 equals to 0. When we cross multiply this, 1 will multiply this and 0 will multiply this number. Bx minus of 1 plus ax minus of 1 equals to 0. Next, bx plus ax minus 2 equals to 0. Common x, b plus of a, and we have to change the sides. 2 is equals to 2, x equals to 2 by b plus a. This is the answer of this equation. Therefore, x equals to a plus b by ab and 2 by a plus b. Thanks for watching this video.